Yeah. I'm setting aside the interference of the MLA MPs in the transfer matter. And I have just discussed the nature of the letter dated 13/5, and I have held that it is subsumed in a 14/5 letter, the orders, transfer guidelines. Number one. Number two, even otherwise, it is incompetent. So I have excluded complete interference of MLAs and MPs in the matters of transfer of teachers. I have referred to Shilpi Bose, which you backed up on. Shilpi Bose involved executive instructions and transfer of non-teachers. I have made one paragraph, difference between teachers and non-teachers. Teachers are very important to the country. They develop the next generation. Therefore, interference is not warranted. Then I have referred to Section 146 of the Representation of People Act, which permits the Election Commission to draw teachers for the election work. Read with Section 27 or 29 of Right to Education. Yes. Therefore, the nexus between politicians and teachers will be a deadly combination, which I don't want to permit. That way I have structured that. Then I have held the transfer guidelines are statutory in character, which also you said. But still I have said that you doubted that, this one, but I have treated it that way. When the law prescribes some procedure, the same has to be followed for doing the thing. Taylor versus Taylor. That I have stated. Then I have mentioned your argument that you pointed out. The 13/5 dies because of 14/5. That I have stated. Then I have mentioned about Karnataka judgment. Yes. Karnataka judgment referred to 2006 Supreme Court, yes, which Joinkor quoted. There also it was not teachers. It was other than teachers. Therefore, the difference between these decisions is that these are teachers and they are non-teachers.
The engineer.
Engineer. It was engineer. That way, I have structured the judgment. Then I have held a normative procedure has to be followed. The committee itself should take a decision. Your argument that it is only one of the inputs I have treated separately in a paragraph, taking your name also. It did not happen that way. They were swayed away because MLA said, MP said.
No.
I have said that way. Yes, because there are orders with which Mr. Swain read. Just the one sentence order. The MLA has recommended and therefore we are doing that. That I have referred in that. The other set of cases where mutual transfers. Where is the mutual request? Nothing is produced before us.
Yes.
And you have not filed the objection statement also. And counter is also not filed. Therefore, that I have stated. No counter is filed and nothing has been stated. Then the timelines have been violated. The timelines are prescribed by the statutory instrument. There is some wisdom in that because they have to, otherwise family will be disrupted. These things. That way, I have structured the judgment. And not only mutual transfer. You have said that since it is mutual transfer, you are not entitled to DA. It is salting the injury. Therefore, I said that is not permissible. Then I accepted both Lenka and G's argument that if already those have been relieved, they should be permitted to work there. But after the end of the academic year, within 1 week, they should be sent back to their parent department because students should not suffer that way. Wherever that has not happened, they will continue in the same post. Okay. I have also reserved liberty to take all decisions in the light of this decision.
Another thing I had raised that 73rd constitutional amendment empowers the panchayat to provide primary education. That's also raised. Sarpanch, people's representatives.
That is enabling provisional leadership. Government should come up with a law. They never come up with a law leadership. That's
what I have not read.
That
one line I will add that.
Yes.
That prerogative with the state government, they can do, but they have not done leadership. That is enabling provisional leadership, that is.
ଆମର representative ସବୁ ସମ୍ବଳ ଦେଇପାରିବେନି ଦେଲେ
No, what is that panchayat?
Panchayat, so far as panchayats are concerned, my lord, it is not possible to ask all the sarpanch to recommend about the teacher's performance. My lord, it is my submission, right? No, council, let me. My lord, they are suggesting the names of the teachers to the MLA and MPs because they are the representatives. The representatives of the local nature. And
how
they are,
I will treat that also. How that will they will say this teacher we want. What happens to the students of that?
they will maintain rationalization. That is what
That I have not touched. That I have left intact.
yes.
That you are entitled
Rationalization,
to.
yes. Rationalization,
That you are entitled to.
rationalization, etc., etc. So whatever provisions are conditions.
Whatever is there.
Condition.
Barring MLAs.
There are some allegations against teachers.
Yes, you
That
I have kept everything open.
my lordship may reflect it in the judgment.
I can't reflect because if it is only allegation, anybody can make allegation against anybody.
No.
Yes.
It should be.
Therefore, inquiry to take it. I need not say anything about that. Otherwise, suppose if I do not want a particular teacher in particular school because he is very strict in maintaining the discipline and my child is not disciplined and at any time it goes to school, whether it goes to school or not, nobody
No,
knows.
sir, inquiry by the
That is always with you.
educational authorities.
Whichever authorities can do on normative basis, that then panchayat need not be treated at all if that is so.
Political vendetta will be.
But political.
The Panchayat lordship, in fact, so far the Panchayat is concerned.
That question I am not taking.
Yes. Hopeless.
You assisted, all of you assisted, even government advocate part was very well. They are doing well. I have said that one line I have said.
After your lordship's judgment,
I will.
it is hoped that the government will bring up another.
I don't have much hope on government's plans.
And transfer this, they will not come back.
Then I have said this way. The writ of certiorari issues flashing the impugned letter number so and so and the impugned transfer orders as well. The writ of mandamus issues to continue the petitioners in the same places in which they were respectively working before the issuance of impugned transfer orders, subject to what has been stated in paragraph 4.7. 4.7 is wherever they have been relieved, working. They will come in the next second. That. The writ of mandamus issues also issues to dispose of all departmental appeals, wherever appeals have been preferred, whether they are here or not.
Yes.
In the light of the judgment within an outer limit of 4 weeks.
Yes.
That we have done. Delay shall be viewed seriously. That we have said. And no cause. Grateful. No cause. Web copy to be acted upon. Good case for appeal also. I might not know.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. Item 2.
Item 2, Lord.